We're back. Reacting to
What's up?
Little Dirk. Fuck you thought. Oh wait.
Fuck you, thought. No, I believe this owl-looking rapper cannot spell for shit. But what do you thought really?
What's
Jesus.
that H? Maybe I think it's for. I think it's for thingy.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean then change the name of the song. You don't have to embarrass
Anyway.
the entire educational system in Chicago.
Nah, but it's Googleable like this.
Cherry Production.
Schmerkio, I went 2.0, I can't stop now. Schmerkio, I went 2.0, I can't stop now. Let me get to one of those. Some other shit. Swapping murder weapons, this bitch too clean, must be the block gun. I can count your shots with a clip. This a black drum. Knew you nigga was different. Your man's booking, he ain't got none. LA killer asking I pay for the lawyer. I should've stabbed him. Still my baby threats, but they little brothers, they some.
Wasn't he rapping about being a better person
Yeah.
on that J. Cole?
He said he found Jesus. He's meeting up with mayors and
And he's going to therapy or something like that. That's right. What happened? Relapse so quick.
I know you my brother, I asked for money, you made a hassle. I like Adderalls, them overshapes, I'm like the capsule. Fuck her from the back, I grab her throat, she tryna wrestle. Dad in front of your bitch, she
That sounds dangerous.
could've saved you, she had a tampon. I'm the only reason you still alive, you better believe it. I be smoking dope gas, bro, roll up the Chevron. I done gave 'em money, they brought some cars and weed and hammer on. Keep it P, we run our mouth to no block, this shit I'm wrong. Say you ain't the Jakes, but talk to Rex out on your platform. I go hit for hit with your biggest rapper, he only got one. I can go money for money with your biggest rapper, we ain't got none. I'm the only thing in the way they try to slap. Lil' bro thirsty to pop out with the drag, he ain't found one. Told him, bro, I want niggas with names, he ain't found one. Ask your block who they catch with a name, they ain't found one. Fuck it though. You can't blame me, I didn't put in too much work. Fuck it.
you know, music from Chicago actually makes you want to go out and kill people.
No.
It does. I see what the conservatives were talking about when they said hip hop influences people to go and kill. I listened to an NBA YoungBoy song. I know it's not from Chicago, but I listened to a song of his album, even the Fuck the Industry track. I listened to that shit for like 3 minutes. That song, Fuck the Industry. I wanted to kill people.
What stopped you?
I don't have a gun. I live in South Africa. We don't have guns.
Speak for
laying
yourself.
around. Okay.
Speak for yourself.
Okay. Let the government know. That's 5 years. That's 5 years.
Only reason they know your name because of dirt. Fuck you thought. You tryna slide, just slide. That shit don't work. Fuck you thought. You say dead niggas, they say what's back. That shit a boomerang. Don't go laugh around me. I'm in war, just make a boomerang. 100K on the nears, I want the grill. I go to Johnny Day. I ain't drop no teeth.
So you just confess that you don't have your real teeth.
And thingy.
Wasn't
he the one that got scammed
making like
on the watch? Was it Lil Baby? I forgot.
they all do.
I forgot.
But
he thought he had a 400,000. No, I think it was Lil Baby.
teeth really?
Yeah, but you can see.
Yeah, but take that shit to.
Nah, you can see. Fake teeth, you can tell when someone's teeth are fake. You can see them.
They're not like mine. See these teeth?
It's not a money smile, dog. It's not a money smile.
I've never needed a toothpick.
I go to Johnny Day. I ain't drop no tears. I'm so serious. This my mama game. Credit was fucked up. I put my road truck in my mama name. Tried to take a pipe case for my dog and I was 17. Little DOC ain't even make it. I put my brother name. 100 bands just falling out every pocket. I need a rubber band. Told Laputa he better go get up with Muda, but he ain't understand. Asked LeBoon, that money ain't hit my account. I did the money then. Half the niggas I was fucking with cause they J Money friends. Going west, we down there caught a flat. We stuck on Hermitage. How you jump on Clubhouse, tell them niggas what your brother did. Lawyer great, you should've seen they face. I gave her another 10. I'm nothing nice, she asking I come twice. I think of another bitch. 11 kids, I claim my sister kids and all.
It's a nice line.
What?
She think that I came twice, but I'm thinking about another bitch.
I'll tell them niggas with your
STD.
Boy, you great, you should've seen they face. I gave her another 10. I'm nothing nice, she asking I come twice. I think of another bitch. 11 kids, I claim my sister kids and all my brother kids. I'm the only thing in the way they tryna slide on. Lil' bro thirsty to pop out with the drag, he ain't found one. Told the bro I want niggas with names, he ain't found one. Ask your block who they catch with a name, they ain't found one. Fuck it though. You can't blame me, I didn't put in too much work. Fuck it though. Only reason they know your name because of dirt. Fuck it though. You tryna slide, just slide, that shit don't work. Fuck it though.
Cherry Production.
Jerry. Okay, Jerry. Fun fact about to edit this video in 24 hours. Why? I think that's a better question.
Oh, explains the spelling, dickhead. It was a Dirk song. It was a Dirk song.
Nothing surprising here.
Nothing to write home about.
Yeah, but in any case, please like, suggest, subscribe, and watch all the other videos we have, and we'll see you.
And
on
tell
the
us,
next
what
one.
would you do to the guy who edited this video and spelled thought like that? Anything, ranging from, I don't know, beating up with a baseball bat, skinning him alive, shooting him in the face, close range with a shotgun, double barrel. What else can you think of?
I don't know. I don't.
Dragging him across the
violent.
street.
Peaceful.
Anyways, yeah, that was the video. I'm tired. I wanna leave.
Your
So
life.
bye. So bye.